Hi, and welcome to Pooch Pooch. We're playing around with a new little gimbal today, so I'm doing this solo. My wife is elsewhere, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just a quick flavoring video. This is kind of a kitchen cabinet flavoring video. I run up and down the aisles in the grocery store looking for items sometimes for inspiration, and currently we're in our play test mode for all of our different flavors as we look to open up and produce on Pooch Pooch. We recently just acquired a canner, so we're waiting for that to come in, and we're really excited because then we're going to be able to get our Pooch out onto the market. Today I just got my very first articles of occupancy for the kitchen that we're going to be renting for the time being and for the near future, so we're really super excited about that. So we're going to do an apricot rose petal. Like I said, that could be the video. We're done. Thank you for playing. But I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it. It's going to be really simple, and here we go. Because I'm doing this one-handed, I'm just going to kind of do a quick shot here. And so we've got our organic dry rose petals and our apricot nectar. And we're going to take that over here to our newly pulled booch from our 14-gallon fermenter. And I'm gonna pull off about a half a cup of nectar per gallon. So we're gonna end up doing what? 2.5 cups of nectar, and then I'm gonna do I do about a 1/4 cup of rose petals per gallon. So I may have to rearrange that. I will let you know. Okay, so we currently have 2.5 cups of apricot nectar, and we have about a cup and a 1/4 of rose petals. These organic rose petals I got off of Amazon. There will be a link below. I think they're great. I definitely wasn't expecting such a large bag. That was definitely a surprise. I did not think that 7 ounces of rose petals was going to particularly weigh that much. And then the apricot nectar, we're usually going to try and do like a fresh apricot and cut up apricots, but I saw this on sale and I grabbed it and I wanted to see what it tasted like before I fully invested and, went down the full apricot route. So this is what the 2 ingredients are on for this. So we just take our nectar and we're gonna pour it in. There we go. Then we'll take our rose petals and we're gonna pour those guys in, and we're gonna go ahead and let that guy sit for probably a day and a half, just like we used to what we usually do. As I've mentioned before, I'm running in a plastic at the moment, and I'm not a huge fan of the plastic ale pail, but it does work for what we're doing. This is pretty much it. Thank you for joining us, and have a pooch booching day. I don't like that. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Nope.